12:18 on your Tuesday, and here's something you don't see every day. And what a beautiful sight last night. The northern lights visible in some places across Kentucky and southern Indiana. This one taken from Debbie Barmore in Simpsonville, Kentucky, and posted to our Kentucky Indiana Cloud Watchers Facebook page. Michaela Howard also saw them faintly in Elizabethtown. Very cool hues of purple and pink, Matthew Willoughby.
Yeah, it surely is. Yeah, it wasn't as bright as we saw the last time, but yeah, very faint colors out there that we saw last night.
And you know, we say like it used to be like a once in a lifetime kind of deal, and all of a sudden I feel like this last year we've gotten a few glimpses of them.
Yeah, certainly so. I mean, yeah, it's been pretty active into the Northern Lights, so yeah, hopefully we'll get another chance sometime this year. So yeah, we'll definitely keep an eye on that. But one thing we are keeping an eye on is the active pattern that we're continuing to see for the week ahead for us. Right now, current temperatures is just into the lower 20s, and feel like temperatures 12 degrees at Louisville International, Bowen Field at 13 degrees. Those dew points 2 below. So yeah, it is just downright cold outside, and satellite and radar are still pretty clear out there. Just seeing a few clouds roll back in for this afternoon. Give you a look really across the area into Kentucky and into Ohio, Indiana. Looking pretty good. Still some at least clear conditions throughout the Ohio Valley and Midwest. So high temperatures today will be near 30 degrees. We'll kind of struggle to really get there. So some places into southern Indiana, we'll see upper 20s for highs. Places near Greensburg, we'll see just near freezing as we go towards today. Now that pattern change we're talking about continuing to really bring some cold Arctic air down to our area as we go up throughout the later part of this week, Friday, and back into Saturday. So I want you to pay attention to Saturday especially, because that's when we're expecting to see this winter system roll through for us as we go towards this weekend. Now the temperatures will definitely play a part in those in that system that will roll through. So futurecast temperatures for the next couple of days is we'll go into at least your Wednesday morning. We'll be into the mid 20s. We'll feel like temperatures into the upper teens. But as we head towards your afternoon, we'll actually see a slight warm up where temperatures will be into the lower 40s. By Wednesday afternoon. So we'll continue to see a slight warm up on the way for your Wednesday, but by Thursday morning, we're right back into the upper 20s to start off the day, and temperatures will warm up just into the mid to upper 30s for highs on Thursday. Now, as we track out that futurecast for you as we go towards Tuesday back into Wednesday, we'll stay quiet overnight, but it's really Wednesday morning. We're tracking some light snow showers possible just south of Louisville into places like Litchfield, Munfordville, and E-Town. Not expecting to see any big impacts with this, but just we'll see some very brief snow showers that will mix in with some rain as well throughout the later part of Wednesday morning. So as we go towards at least your weather headlines today, very cold, but it's Wednesday. We'll see some brief snow showers, and we are tracking possibly that winter storm rolling in for your weekend. So that's why we do have a weather impact alert day in store for us for Saturday and Sunday for some accumulating snowfall and really some poor travel that's expected for this weekend. So make sure you have plans indoors, and also you don't want to be caught out into this storm that we'll likely see as we go towards Saturday into Sunday, and also download the app as we'll continue to see updates. Now, as we give you a look at the futurecast, now this could change as far as the timing, but as expected to roll through our area throughout Saturday afternoon, throughout Saturday night. That continues well into Sunday afternoon and likely moving out of our area possibly closer to Sunday midnight. So this will be definitely a system to watch for going towards the weekend, as this could just bring several inches of snowfall. And we'll continue to update you on that and really nail down the details as we go towards the later part of this week of how much snow we'll be getting. So 7-day forecast for you. We'll climb up the ladder heading towards your Tuesday into Wednesday, and then we're dropping right back down for Thursday and Friday. But look at the weekend. Some rain, some snow showers on the way for us, and temperatures just into the teens for a Saturday, 17 degrees for a high, 23 for your Sunday. And you start to slightly warm up for your Monday into the upper 20s, but still a cold pattern on the way over the next 7 days.